Hello, welcome back to Blue Harvest Toys. Today we're going to be building this PlayStation. Now, it's not a full-size PlayStation, it is a model kit of a PlayStation. So this should be interesting, different, but hopefully very cool. So we do have the instructions. They are in English as well, which is good. It's good. It's pretty self-explanatory, really. The thing is, I used to chip these PlayStations, so I know what's inside them. I've opened many a PlayStation up, so I shouldn't be surprised by any of these parts. So we're going to get all these parts out now. I have already coloured. I say painted, but I use paint pens and other utensils. No paint really. So I've coloured the circuit boards. That is basically just black and silver. But that one, you've got the wires, rainbow wires, and everything like that. So we've got some stickers and we've got a disc in there. We're going to put those there. We've got some more stickers there to put on, and we've got a bit of wire, which will be I'm assuming will be from the controller to plug in to the PlayStation. So let's get on with this. Let's get number one done. So I've got some clippers. So we need the lid just to start with. I'm going to clip it out, then I'm just going to clip the bits off, the excess. So yeah, just a bit unusual, I would have thought. So we need these two little clips as well that are going to go into the lid that will attach it to the main body of the shell of the PlayStation itself. I've got those out. There we go. That's a bit nice and gentle with those. I think that's fine. Now, obviously, you should sand those down, but I think I've clipped them off pretty much. So basically, we're just having to put these in there. See, they've got holes there. And then it just fits in there like that. And that one's fine, so that one goes in there like that. So that's number one done. Easy. Right. Well, actually, it isn't number one because they're not in not in steps, they're in stages, which is different, isn't it? So we do need the full PlayStation itself now. Clip that out. As you can see, it's not full size. I'm glad it isn't really. It's just a lovely little model. And it would be nice to get a full range of these consoles and have them on display. So yeah, we've clipped that nicely. No excess there. A bit there, but that's fine. That's fine. So we've got that ready. We now need to find the buttons. So we get just making sure we clip these properly. God forbid if we clip on off something we shouldn't have. That's one button. And this one's got two. Pretty cool. Now I'm not so sure when you're supposed to put the stickers on, because obviously these do need stickers. I would like to put the stickers on as I'm going, but I think these are like where you put it in water. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So yeah, that's fine. We also need, if I can find it, I think it might be on this number 3. It's on there. There it is. These I've not looked at that. I thought that was just simply a disc. I didn't see the top bits at the top as well. So I'll get that open. Clear bit. So that's number 3. There we go. Fantastic. So that one. See, it's got a little notch in there, so that just slides into there. See, I would like to have put the stickers on before, but we'll see what happens. So that goes through the top, that goes through the bottom. I don't know if you put that on first. Simply goes in there. Maybe you put that in first, but I don't think it really matters that much, so we're going to put that in there. There we go. Ah, yeah, because it's the light, isn't it? It is the light. That's cool. So that's in. You can see it's the power light. There we go. That's that done. So we're going to put that on there now. So that goes on there. What we need number 10 to hold that in. And that on, that showed which way it goes. That way, go in there, and that clips in there, so that holds that, and that is step 1 done. So that does open up. Pretty cool. It should open up further. Yeah, it will do. It will do eventually. There we go. So that's top bit done. That is stage 1 done. Stage 2 now. We need the bottom of the PlayStation. PlayStation's bottom. I think that side's cut. There we go. So we need the bottom, we need the circuit board. I don't think we need B. Circuit board. Put that to one side. So we need that circuit board. Right, so I've already painted this. It's not necessary because you're obviously not going to see that. Once the thing is shut, you're not going to see it, but you just know it's there. And like I say, I've opened up a few PlayStations before, so I know what they look like. It's just I'm going to put that in now before I get the other bits. So that just goes in there. Ooh, that does take me back. I can't wait to get that bit in there, and then I know where I am then. So number 3 is that one. And number 14. Number 14. There we go. Quite an easy kit. Quite an easy kit. Oh, I'm saying that too early. Oh, I should have said that later on. But this is where we get into trouble, isn't it? Right, so how does that fit in there then? I just fit in there. I think it should be the other way around, shouldn't it? Yeah. That just fits in there. I think that was meant to go in there before I put it in, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's it. I shouldn't have put that in yet. But I can do it now. And that goes, should fit on there. I think I'm going to have to take it out. Let's lift it up. That goes into there. There we go, that's better. And this should go in there. Yeah, because you've got a little cover over there. And I used to have this. I used to have a CD movie player that I used to plug into the back of this, and you had to take that off, and it plugged into that bit, so it played VCDs. Before we got the DVDs, we got VCDs. Right, so that's that. Next we do have this, which I'm looking forward to putting in. I'm not going to put it in just yet because I know from the last bit I should have waited. So we're going to get all the bits out first. So we need the motor for the player. And 10 and 11. Right, so we need the socket, the power socket. There we go, there's the power socket, and number 11 is this bit. I don't know what that is. Something to do with the motor and the laser. There we go, that's that done. Right, put these together now. It does say assemble this part first, so we shall do that. Right, that's that bit in. That's this. That's a switch. Oh, that's cool. That's a lid, switch for the lid. So, I'm hoping that's the right way around. I think it is, yeah. That's cool, that's cool. So we put that in now. And put the socket in. There we go. Wow. Yeah, I remember when I took these apart and you had to drill this, obviously drill the bottom of the screws on, and then you have to take this off. Later on, in later models, this is the original model, the 1000 model, the very first one. But later on, they didn't have this bit because it was metal and it was affecting the circuit board. So they slimmed it down considerably. Even in the earlier ones for this model, I know they did the PlayStation 1, which was smaller. What if they'll do a PlayStation 1 as well? That'd be pretty cool. Right then, so let's get on with this. Your jibber jabber. And we need this part here, which is the memory card and controller socket. And we need the two. We need the memory card holder, the outside of it anyway. And we need the two doors, which are these. There we go. That bit off there. There we go. Right, so those, how the hell do you do that? they don't stay on. If you put them in that way, then yeah, I think you're supposed to put the stickers on first, aren't you? That's going to be quite difficult to put a sticker on that. Let's give it a try. Yeah, they are stickers. So right, so we've got socket 1 and 2, memory card. I wonder if they'll just peel off then. I've got to cut them out. Ah, they do. That's pretty cool. Right, so should use tweezers for these, really. Oh my god. There we go, that's one. Hey. At least I don't have to put them in water. That's a good thing. Crikey. Straight. So that's those stickers on. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the stickers I know. Where they go. Instructions. A little reset, but look at the size of that. What if that PlayStation go into the middle because it's cut out there? Oh, we got reset. I'm assuming it does. I'm going to put it in there anyway. Wow, well that is. I'm going to have to be precise with that one. There we go. Not bad. Looking good already. See, those stickers aren't bad to put on. It's just like this memory card ones that they're gonna have to be put on before you put it together. I'm just wondering if there's any more. I don't think there will be. And that go on there now. There we go. It does shut. That's good. That's good. Right, so that's that done. That needs to be put on there. That fits on there. I need to get the laser housing out. And that is the cog that turns the disc. Do it that way. Need that bit. And I think that's it, is it? D4. D4, we need a D4, do we? Where's there? One, two. So that's 4. So that's the eye of the laser that needs to go in there. That fits in there. There's your laser. Look at that. That's pretty cool. It doesn't move, unfortunately, but it just looks like it should do. That is really cool. So we need to put that on there. And that should just fit on there then. There we go. That should spin round, yeah, spin around lovely. And that's really cool because that just looks like a PlayStation laser there. Lovely. So now that goes on there. That is very cool. That is so cool. And that should open that. It should flip up, but there's obviously no spring, unfortunately. Yeah, you want it to spring up, don't you? But you can't have everything, I suppose. But it does lock down, and it does open it up, so that's pretty cool. So we need to finish it off with let's say the door. It just clips in there. I'm not so sure about this lot. That threw me because I wondered what it was, but yeah, it's not very authentic, but you're not going to be looking at the back of it, are you, I suppose? Right, we're going to have to go onto the controller now and do the controller. So we need the circuit board. I've coloured that bit in there. That's the only thing that needs colouring in. None of it really needs colouring because, like I said, I've coloured all that circuit board in, but you can't see it now. Never mind. So we need that. We need the buttons. Yeah, it should give you a little chip and some wires to solder it. And number 6, which is that one. So you just play and you select your start and select buttons to go on there. So that just fits in there. You can see you can't go wrong with that one. That just fits in like that. Obviously that bit's gonna go in there, and that's gonna go on there. Lovely, 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 lovely. So right now we need the bottom half of the controller and the wire. We're going to thread the wire into the controller. Yeah, I'm definitely going to look into getting some more of these if they do any more. I'm sure they will. Sure they will. So that, you can see that it curls round there. So that just curls in there like that. Push it in. Lovely. Right, where's the rest of the instructions? So that now goes into there. And we need the top half, obviously. The shoulder buttons, which should be on this one. Oops. Here we've got shoulder buttons there. I think that's it for this. Yeah, that's it for this part of the model. This sprue. So this they just slide in. One and two. They just slide in. And one and two. There we go. They're just sitting there. And we put the top bit over there. that feels pretty good actually. Yes. Yeah. So that bit needs to go into a socket, doesn't it? So we've got a socket there. Obviously got the back of the shoulder buttons as well. We'll clip those out, won't we? Right, we'll put those on first, I think. I think we need that on there, that one, goes on there. So there we go. Shoulder buttons, and then cut the end of that. Curled around there. Curl it around a bit more, I think, so it doesn't come out. Come on. There we go. Get that on there. Come on. That's it. There we go. That plugs into there then. And finally, well, not finally, because I've got something else to do as well after that. We've got a memory card, and obviously that'll have a sticker. You remember when the memory cards used to come with stickers, and you wrote on little what games were on it? Oh, those were the days. Right, so let's put that together. So we've actually got PlayStation memory card, which goes on the top. There we go, that goes on the top. Not straight, but never mind. It's on. And you put your own little sticker. You got a little sticker, didn't you, to put on it? But other side, there's the other side. You've got it should have a little black back side. I don't know. Oh, and that's a bit. Oh, hang on. They're on here. Look, they're on the other sticker sheet. That's where they are. So you've got. See, this should go on the bottom of that, shouldn't it? Yeah. So that. So authentic. There. And that goes on there. Look at that. That's amazing. That's so cool. You put your memory card in there. Oh, I need a little sticker to put on there, don't I? I'm gonna have to get something to put on there. So, thing is, we've got to get this disc. We have to put the disc in. But obviously, you've got stickers for the disc. Which is really cool. There we go, that's one side. There's the other. So, open it up. Put the disc in. Don't fit. Oh, there we go. So we've got the disc insert in there. The other stickers Obviously need to put plastic model. There. Get that on there. I'm just looking at the other stickers, number 1 and number 2. The controller needs the stickers as well. God, that's going to be a nightmare. But we'll try it. We'll try it. Gotta make it authentic, haven't we? Number 1. And number 2. They are the best stickers to get off, to be honest with you. But like I said, they're easier than the ones that you usually put in water. There we go. That's come off now. Number 2. There we go. Let's set one down a bit. So we need, I think we've got stickers at the back. 3 stickers at the back. Wow. Number 7. I'm selling Japanese should I say. Chinese. It's strange that all the stuff at the back is Japanese. There we go. It's fine. It's fine. Number 6 is that tiny little one. Wow, I can hardly see that. And that goes above the power. There we go. And number 10. Oh, is that? That's got to be that, isn't it? That might make that look a bit better. Like I say, no, it's not like you're going to be looking at it. You're going to be looking at the front, but there we go. That looks a bit better. Yeah, a bit better. Right, so we need to do the controller now. Oh, look at that! You've got to put them. Are they separate? They are separate. Oh my God! Let's put select and start on first. So yeah, Bandai. This is a Bandai model. So I'm gonna look to see if there are any more. Quite lucky to find this one. Should really use tweezers. Really, but there we go. Select and start. Oh, we need a PlayStation. That's the PlayStation logo that goes on there. That's we do, because that makes it look a lot better. Needs so sure about that. But it's done. It's done. And I need to get the tiny little symbols on the buttons now. I should really get my tweezers for that. Yeah, I'm not going to get them out now because it's a bit too late, but if you are building one of these, I would advise to use tweezers for the stickers. I'm going to try and salvage it best I can. I don't want it to look right. Get on, get on. Damn. They're a bit skew with. Oh my god. That's better. Right. A circle I can't really get wrong, can I? He says. Oh dear, looks like a bootleg controller now. The X button might look like a plus. There we go. Good enough to play. Good enough to play. So there we go, that's it. I think we're done. I think we're all stickers are accounted for. Yep, all stickers are accounted for. All bits are accounted for. Apart from that one. What was that one? Number 7. Is it 7 or is it 2? Is that 2? Number 2. D2, 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 D2. Whew. D2. I've found missed there. I still think this is all D2. I can see. It does say on the instructions D2 is not needed. That threw me a bit. I thought I'd done something wrong, but obviously not. Makes a change. I know, I said it before, yeah. So there we go. Beautiful little mini. From that angle it's not too bad. PlayStation. You got a little disc in there that's spinny. You can take your disc out. You can take your memory stick out, memory card. It's proper. You can take the controller out. That's so cool. So cool. Power double button doesn't work, unfortunately. Those two buttons don't work, but that works. That lifts that up, and you've got your little door at the back. You can take off, plug your controller. There's no power socket. That's a bit of a shame, but you don't need. We're not going to plug it in. And it really looks like you could play on it, doesn't it? It's really good. I'm so happy with that. So hope you enjoyed that. Nice little build there. So if you enjoyed that, I'll be doing more builds. It's Lego, all sorts. And if you like that, please subscribe. Please like the video. And until next time, may the toys be with you.